Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear 10th class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the K method, exercise 3.6 from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. Dear students, K method is used in the variation or in proportion to simplify the result. This is very simple and easy method to verify the left hand side and right hand side equal. Okay, now we will start that how can we use this method in our proportion or in our equivalence of the two ratios. Question number 1, if A ratio B equals to C ratio D, A, B, C, D equals to 0 is not equals to 0, then we will show that. Part 2, 6A minus 5B by 6A plus 5B equals to 6C minus 5D divided by 6C plus 5D. Dear students, we in this question, with the help of this proportion, we will solve that left hand side equals to right hand side. For this, first of all, we will take A ratio B as A by B and C ratio D as C by D, and we will put these ratios to the proportional constant K. Let A by B equals to C by D, both are equals to K. So from this we can say that A is equals to BK and C is equals to DK. So we will put the value of A and C in this equation, in this form, question form. First you will write the question again, 6A minus 5B by 6A plus 5B, which is equals to 6C minus 5D by 6C plus 5D. And now we will put A is equals to BK, C is equals to DK in this equation 1. Now put 6 into BK minus 5B divided by 6 BK plus 5B, which is equals to 6 DK minus 5D divided by 6 DK plus 5D. Dear students, you can see that from the numerator we can take B as common. If we will take B as common, then we will get 6K minus 5. And like this, we will take B as common from the denominator. It will become 6K plus 5. In this fraction, we can take D as common on numerator and denominator both. So it will become 6K minus 5 divided by 6K plus 5. B will cancel by B, D will cancel by D. So we will get 6K minus 5 divided by 6K plus 5 equals to 6K minus 5 by 6K plus 5. Both sides are equal. So hence we proved. Part number 3 of this question, A by B is equals to square root of A square plus C square by B square plus D square. Let A by B equals to C by D is equals to K. So we will get the value of A equals to BK and value of C equals to DK. So now we will put the value of A and value of C in this question. Write the question again carefully. A by B equals to A square plus C square divided by B square plus D square whole square root. Now we will put the value of A and C in this equation. It will become BK by B and B will be cancelled. Here we will put BK whole square because A square. So due to the C square we will get DK whole square divided by B square plus D square as it is. Now you will remove the bracket and it will become B square K square plus D square K square. And now we will take the K square as a common and we will get B square plus D square divided by B square plus D square. B square plus D square and B square plus D square will be cancelled with each other. We have K is equals to K square into square root. So we will cancel the square by square root and we will get K is equals to K. Since right hand side and left hand side both are equal, so we will prove this. Part number 6, A square plus B square ratio A cube by A plus B is equals to C square plus D square ratio C cube by C plus D. Dear students, again we will write, suppose that let A by B equals to C by D is equals to K. So A is equals to BK and C is equals to DK. Now we will write the question again, A square plus B square ratio A cube by A square A plus B equals to C square plus D square ratio C cube by C plus D. Now we will put the value of A which is equals to BK and value of C which is equal to DK. We will put the values of A and C in this equation. So it will become A square means B square K square plus B square, and you know that, my dear student, that ratio can be written in the form of division. So you will change this sign by the division sign and take A cube means BK cube, because value of A is equals to BK, and A is equals to BK plus B is equals to value of C, which is DK. So write DK whole square plus D divided by DK whole cube by DK plus D. So we will take the square of B square from this side. We will get B square as common and get K square plus 1 divided by here B cube K cube divided by B. By taking B as common, we get B into K plus 1. Here we will take D square as common and we will get D square into K square plus 1. Dear student, this will be the K square. There is a mistake, so first of all we will correct this one. Now we will take K square as common from this and we will get B square as common from this. We will get B square into K square plus 1 divided by this will cancel by B cube, so we get B square. Okay, and this is equals to D square K square plus 1 divided by K square divided by D cube K cube by D into K plus 1. Here D also will be cancelled by this D. Now dear student, you can see that division will be changed into multiplication, so we will take the reciprocal. This is K. When we will take B square as common, we get B square into K square plus 1 multiplied by K plus 1, because we will take the reciprocal. K plus 1 by B square K cube equals to, here we will take D square as common, so we get D square into K square plus 1 multiplied by K plus 1 divided by D square K cube. Now my dear students, you will multiply the numerator values here and B square will be cancelled by B square. We get K square plus 1 into K plus 1 divided by K cube. Here we will take K square plus 1 into K plus 1 divided by K cube. Now by cancellation of D square by D square, B square by B square, we will get left hand side which is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Question number 2. If A by B equals to C by D equals to E by F and A, B, C, D, E, F are not equals to 0, then we will show that. Part number 2. AC plus CA plus EA divided by BD plus DF plus FB, which is equals to ACE by BDF whole 2 by 3 power. Let A by B equals to C by D equals to E by F, both are equals to proportionality constant K. Then A is equals to BK, like this. A equals to BK, C equals to DK and E equals to FK. So we will write the values of A, C and E, and after that we will write the question again and then we will put the values of A, B and C which we have taken. So put the value of A, which is BK, value of C is DK, C is DK, E is FK, and value of FK, E and A is FK and BK. Write the denominator as it is. Here also we will write the values of A, C and E, BK, DK and FK divided by BDF. Here B into K will be multiplied, so it will become BD K square, DF K square, FB K square. Write denominator as it is, and here BDF into K cube, because these are multiplicated with each other. So BDF by into K cube divided by BDF, taking 2 by 3 as whole power. BDF will be cancelled here, and here we will take K square as common. We will get BD plus DF plus FB, and it will be cancelled with the denominator value which is also equals to BD plus DF plus FB. And here my dear students, you can see that we have K cube raised to power 2 by 3. So 3 will be cancelled by cube. Here we will get K square and also K square, both values are equal, so hence we proved. This is the end of exercise 3.6.